Alright guys, here is question 7. In question 7 we are given a figure below with a triangle. ABC is drawn such that where A and B is perpendicular to BC, we can see that there they are, and we have an angle P here of which is here at C with CB is equals to 3 times AB. And then a triangle DD is drawn such that angle C, which is this one here, is equals to 135, and then the length of BD is equals to 121 millimeter. All right, so question 7.1 they are saying that we need to determine the value of P and correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so if you have a look at, we are working with this triangle here, triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, but we don't have any sides here. They are not given any sides. However, they do give us a ratio here which says that CB is equals to AB, which is equals to 3 times AB. So with this ratio, what you can do on the ratio, you can use the ratio to find the angle. So let's see, divide by AB on both sides. So therefore CB is equals to AB, which is equals to 3/1. Therefore this means that CB is equals to 3, and then therefore AB is just equal to 1. Right, so therefore if you have this, you can use that to find angle P. So what do you have? This will be opposite, and then this will be adjacent. For a right angle triangle, that's what we use. So we're going to have opposite over adjacent, which is going to be 1/3, which is equal to tan P in this case. So therefore, in order for you to find P, what are we going to do? I'm just going to rearrange it for you guys to be able to see it here. If we have to find P here, what do? We're going to go to our calculator and say shift second function 1/3. And therefore, we should be able to find the value of P here. Let's go to our calculators, and then I'm getting 18.4535 rather degrees. So guys, if you're getting a different answer, please let me know if you guys got a different answer on this one. But that's what I'm getting. They said into 3 decimal places, and that's exactly what we did. If you got a different answer, let me know on the comment section below. All right, 7.2 it says here, if the value of P is 18.4, determine the length of DC. So what they're asking us to find this length here, and then we already have the value of P. So what do we have? We've got 2 angles and 1 side. If you've got 2 angles and 1 side, you can use the sine rule. All right. So now, can we use this 3? No, we can't use this 3 because this 3 is not the length of CD. It is just the ratio. So don't even make that mistake, guys, of using this 3. It's not a length. The length here is given in meters, as you can see, which is the length of dB. So therefore there we don't have a length. So we can easily find this angle B here, because we know that this angle here is 18 point. So B is going to be 18.435 divided by 2, which gives us how much? Which gives us, I'm getting 9.2. Okay, so B is equals to 9.2 degrees. So with that, let's see. Sine rule says if you've got an angle opposite to a side, so B is opposite this side here, and then C is opposite this side here. So what is going to be is going to be side, which is what? Side CD all over sine the angle. The angle is at angle B. It's equal to side what? BD all over the angle, which is angle at C. Okay, so now once you have that, we can now substitute our values and go ahead and find our angle. CD, it's what we're looking for. CD, that's what we're looking for, all over sine angle B. Angle B is what? 9.2 Therefore, all over BD, they already given it to us. BD, it's 121 all over sine. Sine what? Sine. What's the angle? The angle at C, it's 135. Alright, therefore you'd cross multiply here. CD is equals to 121 sine 9.2. Therefore, all over sine 135. Right, and then guys, with this you can go directly into our calculator and put this on. Then we'll find that the answer is equals to 27.36. Remember, the units, guys, they gave us is meters here in this case. Guys, if you don't understand, please let me know on the comment section below, and then also let me know if you enjoyed the context. If you do, please like this video and also subscribe as well. This would help us on this channel to help as many learners as possible. Share this one with your classmates and also your colleagues, your brothers, your sisters, and so that the channel can grow. Okay. All right, I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload where we'll be doing question 8. And I think question 8 is going to be on measurement.